Hello tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some hot news to share about the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro. Apple is gearing up for significant upgrades, and we're here to break it all down for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop with the latest tech news. Let's kick things off with the iPhone 16 Pro's design. Get ready for larger displays this time around, with the Pro model rumored to boast a 6.3-inch screen, while the Pro Max stretches to an impressive 6.9 inches. This size increase is geared towards accommodating new components, such as an improved camera system and possibly larger batteries. Speaking of cameras, Apple is reportedly doubling down on upgrades. We could witness the introduction of a brand new 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, promising enhanced low-light photography. The wide-angle camera is expected to feature advanced technology to deliver higher image quality, and both Pro models might come equipped with 5x telephoto lenses. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro series is likely to feature Apple's cutting-edge A17 chip. However, here's the twist: the Pro models might sport a more advanced iteration of this chip compared to the standard iPhone 16 models. This difference could translate to even more efficient and powerful performance for the Pro series. Apple is also set to introduce some innovative features. The Action button, initially seen on the iPhone 15 Pro models, is getting an upgrade, becoming capacitive with a larger, seamless design. Additionally, there's buzz about a new Capture button designed for convenient photo and video shooting. When it comes to connectivity, the iPhone 16 Pro could be at the forefront by adopting Wi-Fi 7 technology, promising lightning-fast speeds and more dependable connections. And let's not overlook the potential for faster charging and improved battery technology. In summary, the iPhone 16 Pro is shaping up to be a powerhouse of innovation and advanced technology. From its larger display and camera enhancements to cutting-edge connectivity options, this device is poised to be a game-changer in the smartphone market. Thanks for tuning in. What aspect of the iPhone 16 Pro are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For more tech updates and reviews, keep it locked here on our channel. Until next time, stay tech-savvy, friends.